Good morning. So I haven't really been able to clean as much as I'd like to because we keep making more of a mess, and I've been cooking a lot. And this is my stove top right now. Pretty gross. What I'm doing is I'm actually about to clean it, and I use this baking soda non-toxic cleaner that I make. And I get baking soda and I put 1 to 2 capful of the Thieves household cleaner. I love this stuff. And then on this one, I added a little bit of apple cider vinegar and some water. I also sometimes do lemon juice, or I put some lemon essential oils in it to boost it a little bit more. And so then I put it on the surface, and this is great for bathtubs, sinks, floors, and especially the countertops. And I let it sit depending on how much grime is on there, and then I just scrub it with a sponge and I wipe it off, and it's non-toxic and it smells delicious. Hope that helps you if you're going to be cleaning. And during this crazy time, try to be productive and do things that raise your vibration. It's all going to be okay. There's going to be a new normal. We're just on a little break right now, and just keep your sanity. Okay, sending you love, blessings. Bye. So I did let it sit for about 40 minutes. And here we go. I'm not really using that much. And here's the finished product. And I had to stop early because this little one woke up. What you eating? Hey, what you eating? Cheese. Not cheese. You're eating banana.